Hey there, welcome to Personal Brand Starter Kit, your step by step guide to building a solid personal brand in 2025. I am Akshay and I'll be your guide throughout this journey. तो अगर आज आप यहाँ पर हैं, that means you understand how important it is to build your personal brand in today's world. तो चाहे आप एक प्रोफेशनल हैं who is looking to grow his career or you're an entrepreneur who is looking to connect with the right audience, और आप a normal person है who is trying to create some positive impact, having a strong personal brand helps you in everything. And this personal brand starter kit will give you the exact information that you need to build your personal brand and launch it right away. तो शुरू करने से पहले बात करते हैं why personal brand is important in 2025. See, personal brand is your digital reputation. It's your online presence. And it is just as important as your resume or your portfolio. आजकल people have undergone this tremendous change in their buying behaviors. They're not just buying from companies. People are buying from people they know, ट्रस्ट एंड एंगेज विद। और यही एक सबसे बड़ा रीज़न है जिसकी वजह से जितने भी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं आज की डेट में, चाहे वो इलॉन मस्क हो, मार्क ज़करबर्ग हो, या जितने भी आप बड़े नाम जानते हैं, दे आर posting content. They are actively building their personal brands. So basically your personal brand sets you apart from all the competition and establishes your authority in your industry. And the good news is that you don't have to be famous or have thousands of followers to build a solid personal brand. All you need is just the right strategy, which we will cover in this course. Alright, so this course is divided into 3 sections: foundations, launch and build. In foundations, we'll start with the basics of personal branding, जिसमें बताऊंगा कि personal branding क्या होती है और आपके लिए क्यों ज़रूरी है 2025 में. In the launch section, I'll tell you about how you can find your niche, find the audience for that niche, craft your story, and optimize your profile so that when you start posting, you attract followers as early as possible. और build section में बात करेंगे कैसे आप अपना content engine बना सकते हैं, what are the basic tools that you need for content creation, how to write viral scripts, how to write hooks, how to use storytelling frameworks, how you can engage with your audience, and how you can build an email list to cater to that audience. सारे modules बहुत ही ज़्यादा actionable steps के साथ आते हैं. So make sure you watch all the videos completely and start implementing so that you can see the results as soon as possible. After this course, you will have no more overthinking, no more confusion. You will have exact steps that you need to take to build your personal brand, to go from 0 to 100 in your personal brand journey. So are you ready to take control of your future, your personal brand, and stand out in your industry? I'm excited that you're here and I can't wait to see your transformation. Let's get in. Welcome back. Now that you have the overview of this course, let's deep dive into why you need a personal brand in 2025. तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, people just don't look at the resumes or portfolios anymore. वो देखते हैं आपकी प्रोफाइल को, आपकी एक्टिविटी को और क्या क्या कंटेंट आपने पास्ट में शेयर किया है, how you have interacted with different posts in the past. And all of this constitutes to your personal brand, whether you do it actively or not. और इसी से आप शेप कर सकते हैं सामने वाले का perception into thinking that you are an expert. You can showcase your skills, your knowledge, and your expertise. And of course, your personality, so that it attracts the right opportunities for you. By the way, I'm going to give you a very shocking fact. Did you know that people who have built their personal brands have 300% more opportunities than people who have not built their personal brand? How crazy is that? In addition to that, ये जो लोग हैं इनके पास हैं better opportunities. They are able to work on their times and they are able to dictate the amount of money they make. And I think these 3 are very strong reasons for professionals like us to build a solid personal brand. Because you want to work on your time, you want to work on whatever you want to work on, and you want to make more money while working on the things that you like. और अगर आज के टाइम में आपकी ये प्रॉब्लम है that you're not able to be recognized as an expert in your industry or people don't value your opinions, I think personal brand is the best way for you to establish yourself. और रिसेंटली मैंने एक वीडियो में ये भी कहा था कि इफ़ यू वांट टू अर्न मोर रिस्पेक्ट एट योर वर्क, यू शुड स्टार्ट पोस्टिंग कंटेंट. बिकॉज वही लोग जब आपका कंटेंट देखते हैं और ऑफिस में आते हैं, दे हैव दिस न्यू फाउंड रिस्पेक्ट फॉर यू बिकॉज यू डेयर्ड टू शेयर योर थॉट्स वाइल अदर्स डिड नॉट. And the best part in today's day and age is that you only need a laptop, a phone and an internet connection to make your voice heard all across the world. So अगर आप एक well crafted personal brand अपनी डिज़ाइन करते हैं, you can get more job opportunities, you can scale your business, you can obviously make more money, work on the projects that you want to work on, and in this way truly attain financial freedom. And शुरू करने से पहले simply I would like to explain to you what is a personal brand. A personal brand is simply your reputation in the online world. And आप मानो चाहे ना मानो, but you already have a personal brand online. कैसे? Because you use social media every day, you interact with posts, you share those posts with your friends, you like and comment on those posts, एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस कंस्टिट्यूट्स टू योर पर्सनल ब्रांड. तो जो रियली स्मार्ट लोग होते हैं वो एक्टिवली मैनेज करते हैं अपनी पर्सनल ब्रांड, ट्राई टू शोकेस अ पॉजिटिव इमेज ऑफ देमसेल्व्स इन द वर्ल्ड. और यही नंबर 1 रीजन है व्हाई दे आर एबल टू अटेन टाइम फ्रीडम एंड फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम सो ऑन अर्ली इन देयर करियर्स. तो हमने समझ लिया कि पर्सनल ब्रांड क्यों बनानी है और पर्सनल ब्रांड होती क्या है. अब पर्सनल ब्रांड कैसे बनानी है इसके बारे में हम नेक्स्ट लेसन में डिस्कस करेंगे. तो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेसन. Alright, now that you've decided that you do need a personal brand in 2025, it's very important to find your niche. What is niche? Niche is basically वो specific area, वो specific problem जो आप solve करते हैं that you can talk about to the people. There are many examples of niches, for example, traveling, personal finance, gaming, etc. and so forth. अब आप बोलोगे कि मैं पर्सनल ब्रांड बिल्ड कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे एक स्पेसिफिक नीश फाइंड आउट करने की क्या जरूरत है. आई एम अ पर्सन एंड आई हैव सो मेनी इंटरेस्ट, बट रिमेंबर दिस, व्हेन यू आर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग आउट पीपल डोंट नो यू फॉर एनीथिंग, सो यू रियली हैव टू मेक अ स्पेस इन देयर माइंड्स and be known for something specific, something that you know better than the others. And इसीलिए a niche serves as a starting point for your personal brand. अब obviously आगे चल करके when you attract a lot of followers, you can always move into other areas of expertise. You can obviously branch out, but when you're just starting out, you need a definite niche. And इसका सबसे बड़ा reason ये है that everybody is fighting for the attention of your ideal audience. जिसको भी आप फ्यूचर में अट्रैक्ट करना चाहते हैं, already thousands of people are trying to attract those kinds of people. So instead of being known for business, finance, productivity, focus, and so many other things, you really need to niche down so that एक specific चीज़ के लिए the audience comes to you again and again. For example, अगर आपको fitness advice चाहिए, you would like to follow someone who is an expert in fitness. अगर आपको weight loss करना है तो you need advice from someone who has already lost a weight. You would not go to a bodybuilder. So fitness एक niche है और उसके अंदर भी और specific niche है, that is weight loss. एक और एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मार्केटिंग इज अ नीश. इट्स अ वेरी ब्रॉड नीश. बट इफ यू वांट टू लर्न डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, देयर इज समथिंग एल्स. इफ यू वांट टू लर्न कंटेंट मार्केटिंग, देयर इज समवन एल्स. सो इस तरीके से कंटेंट मार्केटिंग, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, दे आर ऑल ऑल्सो वेरी स्पेसिफिक टाइप्स ऑफ नीशेज within the niche of marketing. So as the first step, your goal is to find a niche that will help your audience and you can pursue this for a long period of time. And niche find out करने के लिए we'll use a simple framework called 3P framework, where we'll talk about passion, we'll talk about proficiency, and we'll talk about profit. First thing is passion. What is it that you're genuinely interested in talking about? जब भी आप ये टॉपिक्स का नाम सुनते हैं, you get excited. आप इन टॉपिक्स के बारे में विस्तार से बात कर सकते हैं at a random party. ऐसे टॉपिक्स जिनके बारे में आपको इतनी जानकारी है कि आप किसी को समझा भी सकते हैं इसके बारे में. And these are all topics that fall under the things that you're passionate about. और अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ तो I am passionate about self-development, human behavior, branding, business, investing and politics. Next P है हमारा proficiency, which is your skills and your knowledge. तो इस लिस्ट में वी हैव टू बेसिकली राइट डाउन ऑल द थिंग्स दैट यू आर नॉलेजेबल एट, जिसमें आपने ऑलरेडी काम किया हो. ये कुछ वर्क रिलेटेड हो सकती हैं, ये कुछ ऐसी क्वालिटीज हो सकती हैं जो सिर्फ आप ही के पास है. और अगर आपको नहीं पता है कि आपकी ये क्वालिटीज क्या हैं, यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क योर फ्रेंड्स अबाउट इट, यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क योर मॉम अबाउट इट, क्योंकि वो आपको बहुत अच्छे से जानती है. एंड इन दिस वे यू कैन लिस्ट डाउन ऑल द थिंग्स दैट यू आर गुड एट. So for example, in my case, I'm good with numbers, I'm good with explaining complex topics, I'm good at speaking, teaching and mentoring. So now you've covered passion and proficiency, and the third P that we're going to cover is profit, or basically market demand. Market की क्या need है, what is the problem that they are facing, जिसको solve करके आप profit कमा सकते हैं. For example, अगर मेरा passion है गिटार बजाना and I'm really good at it, can I really make money out of playing guitar? तो प्रॉफिट में आती हैं वो इंडस्ट्रीज और वो एरियाज जिसमें आप पैसे कमा सकते हैं बाय डेवलपिंग प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज. बिकॉज लेट्स फेस इट, अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू मेक मनी आउट ऑफ योर पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग एफर्ट्स, इन द लॉन्ग रन आपको रिवॉर्डिंग फील नहीं होगा. और रिवॉर्डिंग फील कराने के लिए मॉनिटरी बेनिफिट इज द बेस्ट बेनिफिट. तो अगर आपको पर्सनल ब्रांड बनानी है इन दोज नीशेस विच आर प्रॉफिटेबल, उसके कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं कंटेंट मार्केटिंग, कोडिंग, पर्सनल फाइनेंस, फिटनेस एट्सेट्रा. And now when you've figured out your passion, proficiency and the profit, you simply have to find an intersection of these three. और आपको मिलेंगे एंड में 1 or 2 niches where you can experiment and decide on what you want to work with. See how easy it was. Passion, proficiency, profit. ये 3 चीज़ें आपको लिखनी है. It will require some brainstorming from you, but that's how you can find your niche very easily. But अब niche find out करने के बाद और भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आप उस niche से related एक audience को ढूंढें, which we'll cover in the next lesson. So see you there. Alright, last lesson में हमने सीखा था कि niche कैसे find out करना है. इस lesson में समझेंगे कि आपकी audience को कैसे find out करना है. And this is one of the most crucial steps of building a personal brand. अगर आप वो right kind of audience को attract ही नहीं कर पाते हैं तो आपकी personal brand build ही नहीं होगी, because you will be wasting your efforts in content creation. So right off the bat, कैसे ideal audience को attract करना है, कैसे उस ideal audience को find out करना है, will cover in this lesson. एक example से समझते हैं. For example, your niche is fitness, but fitness is too vague. It could be having 6-pack abs over the age of 30, or it could be losing 30 kilos in 3 months. They are both two different niches. और इनके जो audience हैं वो भी अलग है. Abs बनाने की चाह वो रखेगा जो already थोड़ा वेट लॉस जर्नी में है, बट वेट लॉस करने की चाह वो रखेगा हु इज ऑलरेडी एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी. सो द टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट दैट यू नीड टू मेक फॉर दीज टू काइंड्स ऑफ नीशेस विल बी एंटायरली डिफरेंट, एंड सो दे रिक्वायर टोटली डिफरेंट अप्रोचेस. एक और एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, योर नीश इज इन्वेस्टिंग. सो आर यू गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट वैल्यू इन्वेस्टिंग और यू गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट ट्रेडिंग? दे बोथ आर वेरी डिफरेंट. दे बोथ हैव डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ ऑडियंसेस लिसनिंग टू दीज कंटेंट, दीज टॉपिक्स, एंड दे ऑल्सो बोथ रिक्वायर entirely different kinds of skills and again different approaches to build your personal brand. तो अपनी right audience को find out करने के लिए you'll have to put on your research hat. आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि आपकी audience के सबसे बड़े pain points क्या हैं, वो क्या चाहते हैं, वो कौन है, वो कहाँ रहते हैं. इसको बोलते हैं हम ऑडियंस एवेटार, एंड यू कैन सिंपली मेक एन ऑडियंस एवेटार बाय आंसरिंग दीज क्वेश्चंस फॉर योर ऑडियंस. ये टास्क थोड़ा सा डॉन्टिंग है, बट इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट टू रिसर्च. इसको और भी ज्यादा पिन पॉइंट करने के लिए विल यूज सोशल मीडियाज हेल्प. सिंपली गो टू एनी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म एंड टाइप इन योर नीश. उस नीश से रिलेटेड 20 अकाउंट्स को फॉलो करो, उन अकाउंट्स की एक लिस्ट बनाओ, उसके बाद उनके कॉन्टेंट को स्टडी करो, सी वॉट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्टेंट दे आर मेकिंग, सी द टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस पीपल आर आस्किंग देम, एंड स्टार्ट आंसरिंग दोज क्वेश्चंस. Make 10 videos, make 10 pieces of content answering those questions. If you get traction, that means this is your niche, this is your audience. If you don't get traction, it's time to switch to the new one. इस तरीके से trial and error से experimentation से you can easily find the right audience for your niche. और इस एक्टिविटी को करने के लिए आपको सोशल मीडिया पर जाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. You can simply use ChatGPT to find the ideal audience avatar. You can simply go to ChatGPT, give it your niche, and ask it to create an ideal audience avatar for you. You can ask the desires, pain points, fears and expected results for that audience. और ChatGPT खुशी खुशी आपको वो सारी डिटेल्स आपके सामने रख देगा. So इस तरीके से ये 15 मिनट का काम भी आप 5 मिनट के अंदर कंप्रेस करके कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. तो इस तरीके से आप अपनी आइडियल ऑडियंस को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. एंड नाउ you've got your niche, you've got your audience. Now is the time to create content and to provide value to those audiences. Alright, so now you have found your niche and you have found your audience, but before creating content, you need to craft your story and build your ideal statement. क्यों back story matter करती है? क्योंकि you want people to connect to you. आप कोई कंपनी का पेज तो है नहीं, आप एक पर्सनल ब्रांड है. So there has to be some personality traits. People should feel emotions towards your personal brand, and that is how you will create योर स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनल ब्रांड. तो जब आप अपनी बैक स्टोरी के बारे में सोचेंगे एंड उसको कम्युनिकेट करेंगे, यू विल फील ऑथेंटिक एंड रिलेटेबल टू द पीपल. और एक पावरफुल बैक स्टोरी से यू विल गेन अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिबिलिटी एंड ट्रस्ट. तो योर बैक स्टोरी एंड योर पावरफुल स्टेटमेंट विल मेक इन 3 सिंपल स्टेप्स. स्टेप 1 इज आई वॉन्ट यू टू रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन योर जर्नी. आपकी जर्नी कैसी थी, आपके पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस कैसे थे, आपके हार्डशिप्स क्या क्या थे जिसको आपने ओवरकम किया, एंड क्या आप उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते. So you need to list down 3 to 5 game-changing, moment-defining experiences that you had in your life. उसके बाद है step 2, where you need to identify the common thread with your audience. You need to ask yourself questions like, what drives me? What am I passionate about? What problem am I solving for the others? And how my experiences have led to where I am right. इस exercise को हमने already niche finding section में किया था थोड़ा बहुत, but now is the time where you have to think about your backstory, how you can make it more relatable to the person. And step 3 is to structure your backstory. And for that, I'll give you a simple framework called STTP. S stands for the struggle. तो आपके जीवन में ऐसा क्या चैलेंज था, क्या प्रॉब्लम थी और क्या स्ट्रगल थी जिसको आपने ओवरकम करने का सोचा. The T stands for the turning point. आपके जीवन में वो टर्निंग पॉइंट क्या था, क्योंकि we can struggle for a long period of time, but वो turning point क्या था when you thought कि I have to get out of this situation. So it is that moment which shifted your perspective. Third is T again, which is the transformation. तो जब आपकी लाइफ में वो टर्निंग पॉइंट आया, you started doing some things that transformed your life. So what was that transformation? How did it look like? What all did you do? What all did you learn to overcome that struggle? And fourth is P, which stands for the present. आज की आपकी स्टेट क्या है? Basically, what are you doing now and what do you hope to achieve? और इसी तरीके से we can write in 3 simple steps your backstory. इस बैक स्टोरी को यूज करेंगे हम अपनी पावरफुल स्टेटमेंट बनाने के लिए. पावरफुल स्टेटमेंट इज दैट वन लाइन दैट डिस्क्राइब्स व्हाट यू डू इन अ नटशेल. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हेल्प प्रोफेशनल्स turn their personal brands into profit using social media. इसका सिंपल सा फॉर्मूला है I help dash achieve dash through dash in dash time. This one statement basically highlights what all you do, for whom you do, how you do it, and in what period of time you do it. और इसी एक simple powerful statement से you can communicate everything that you do. इसमें कुछ चीज़ों का आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि you have to aim for simplicity. You can't write so many things, so many words, जिससे कि reader को पढ़ करके वो distract ना हो जाए. So it should be simple enough to communicate what you do, who you do it for, how you do it, and how much time you help them achieve results. And don't worry, it is not the end of the world. Test it within your network. If it works, it works. If it does not work, then you need to think about it again. But the most important thing is that your backstory and your statement should align with one another. Your statement should feel like a natural extension of your journey. So I'm going to give you some examples of powerful statements on the screen right now. I help founders scale their business with effective branding strategies. I teach women entrepreneurs how to build confidence and grow their online presence using video marketing. I guide professionals to discover their passion and turn it into a profitable business. And in this way, you can craft your story and come at your powerful brand statement. Alright guys, अभी तक हमने अपनी niche find out करी है, अपनी audience find out करी है, अपनी story build करी है और अपनी statement craft करी है. But you will be surprised कि अभी तक हमने content creation के ऊपर बात नहीं करी, which is now we will discuss. Before creating content, we need to create a content strategy for our personal brand. क्या होती है content strategy? उसी के बारे में हम इस lesson में बात करने वाले हैं. Content strategy is like the backbone of your personal brand. Without proper strategy in place, you will fail. It basically helps you to document your content creation journey and make changes wherever possible and necessary. ये ensure करती है कि everything that you put out aligns with your niche, aligns with your audience, and gives you feedback in return so that you know if it worked or it did not work. And ये build करती है आपकी brand को consistently over a period of time. और content strategy के ना होने का सबसे बड़ा drawback ये है that you will lose focus after a period of time. क्योंकि when you're just starting out, your first 10 videos, 20 videos, even 30 videos will not do well. और आपको लगेगा कि आपके efforts waste हो गए. And at that point, content strategy will help you going. और content strategy के 3 major parts हैं: content pillar, content matrix, and content calendar. Let's discuss them one by one. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं content pillars की. As the name suggests, content pillars are your main topics और themes जिसके around आप content create करते हैं. And they represent the core areas of expertise for you and the core areas of interest for your audience. So for example, अगर आपकी niche है digital marketing, your content pillars could be SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing, which is related to digital marketing. So how do you identify your content pillars? It's very simple. You have identified your niche. Now identify your sub niches. Write 3 to 4 sub niches within that niche. For example, आपकी niche थी fitness. Fitness के अंदर sub niches है getting 6-pack abs over the age of 30. और सब niche है losing 30 kilos in 3 months. और इस तरीके से narrow it down to 3-4 sub niches जो कि आपकी niche से related हैं. They fall under the same category and they are related to the broad niche that you're talking about. इसको एक example से समझते हैं. For example, if your niche is personal finance for millennials, your content pillars could be budgeting tips, practical advice on managing money and creating budgets, investment basics, educating about beginner-friendly investment options, debt management, strategies for paying off student loans and other debts, or building wealth tips for increasing income and growing assets. Content pillars के होने की वजह से you never run out of ideas on what to create content about. तो अब हमने content pillars समझ लिए. अब बात करते हैं second कंटेंट स्ट्रैटेजी की सेकंड पार्ट की, विच इज कंटेंट मैट्रिक्स. एक कंटेंट मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है? इट्स बेसिकली अ मैट्रिक्स दैट कवर्स एवरीथिंग, द ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ द टॉपिक्स दैट यू कैन टॉक अबाउट. ये जो मैट्रिक्स मैं आपको देने वाला हूँ, इसकी मदद से आप किसी भी टॉपिक के ऊपर कितना ही कंटेंट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, कितना ही. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल शीट दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू. इट हेल्प्स यू विजुअलाइजेस द कंटेंट प्लान एंड हेल्प्स यू टू आइडेंटिफाई द गैप्स इन देम. तो इसको करना कैसे है? सिंपली गो टू दिस शीट. You can write down your sub-niches and the types of content. You can talk about mistakes, myths, tips, inspiration, personal story, belief shift, objection, social proof, promotion. And you can talk about topics such as personal finance, value investing and all those things here. X-axis में मेरे पास topics हैं, Y-axis में मेरे पास mistakes, tips और इस तरीके से types of content. With this content matrix, you get everything covered in your content journey. And third part of this content strategy is your content calendar, which I think is the most important thing. कि अगर आपके पास content calendar है, you know exactly what to post and when to post it. And to do that, we'll use the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT पर content calendar create करने के लिए you simply have to copy and paste this prompt that I'm showing you on the screen. I want you to act as a content specialist. My brand is Dash and my target audience is Dash. I want to teach them about Dash. My goal is brand awareness and my brand voice is friendly. I want to create engaging and thought-provoking reels, articles on Insta, LinkedIn with clear message and clear guidelines that people can follow and implement immediately and gain some quick wins with Dash. I want you to create a 30-day content calendar for me so that I can use to post daily. With this, within 5 minutes, you will get your content calendar for next 30 days. And you will be on your way to create content. तो ये थी आपकी content strategy which has got 3 parts: content pillars, content matrix and content calendar. With this, I hope आपको clarity होगी कि आपको किस बारे में क्या बात करनी है. So the next topic that we're going to talk about is your content engine. Before you start creating content and start delivering value to your ideal audience, you need a content engine. तो content engine क्या है? It's basically a collection of all the other content creators in your niche. So what I want you to do is to go to your favorite platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn or YouTube and prepare a list of all the content creators that you find are in your niche. And you can make a list like this where you can write the name of the creator, number of followers, the niche they are in and the links of their profile. In addition to this, उनकी profile पर जा करके you have to find out some ideas for the videos or the type of content that you want to make and make a list. उनकी प्रोफाइल पे जाओ, फॉर एग्जांपल एवा पर्सनल ब्रांड लॉन्च, उसने क्या बोला एंड उसकी कितने व्यूज़ थे, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको लिखनी है एंड यू हैव टू मेंशन द लिंक. एंड इन दिस वे यू कैन प्रिपेयर योर कंटेंट इंजन. तो कंटेंट इंजन इज बेसिकली अ रिपोजिटरी ऑफ ऑल द आइडियाज़ दैट यू हैव फ्रॉम योर फेवरेट कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स इन योर नीश. देखो, इट्स नॉट ईजी टू कम अप विद न्यू फ्रेश आइडियाज़. तो इसीलिए कंटेंट इंजन बनाना ज़रूरी है सो दैट यू कैन इम्प्लीमेंट व्हाट इज़ ऑलरेडी वर्कड. जो हमने व्यूज़ का कॉलम बनाया था अपने कंटेंट इंजन में, दैट इज़ टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन से कंटेंट पर उनके व्यूज़ ज़्यादा आए हैं और उसी तरह के कंटेंट को हम सिमिलरली रिक्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एंड देन वी हैव सम चांसेस, नॉट 100% बट देर इज़ सम परसेंटेज दैट अगर वो कंटेंट उनका चला है, दैट मीन्स पीपल हैव लाइक दोज पीसेज ऑफ कंटेंट. एंड इफ़ यू क्रिएट सिमिलर टाइप्स ऑफ कंटेंट, you have a chance of going viral in your niche. And as such, in building a personal brand, there is no such thing as reinventing the wheel. You understand what has worked in the past for other creators, add your twist to it, add your unique point of view to it, and present it to the audience, and that will guarantee that you have some chances of success. So basically, Content Engine will help you to keep track of all those activities, all those things, all those pieces of content that you want to recreate in the future. After you've made your content engine, बात करेंगे basic tools that you need for content creation. And there are only 3 things that you need: your phone, your laptop, and your internet connection. That's it. When you're just starting out, these 3 are enough. I'll show you how simple it is to create content with your phone if you're going for a video type content, for example, Reels. What you can simply do is download the apps like BigView, Captions और Teleprompter on your phone. जैसे कि जब भी आप अपने फ़ोन से content create कर रहे हैं, you already have the script in front of you and you are never worried about fumbling or forgetting what you wanted to talk about. And if the phone is not sufficient for you, you can obviously use your laptop to edit your videos. You can use free tools like VN Video Editor or DaVinci Resolve, or you can use paid tools like Premiere Pro for editing your videos. And nowadays you can ask a lot of video editors to edit videos for you, और उसका price range is anywhere from 500 to 1000 rupees में you can get a very well edited reel for you. When you're creating content, the most important piece of equipment for you is the mic. People can tolerate bad video quality, but they cannot tolerate bad audio quality. So जब भी आप इसको सीरियसली लेना चाहते हैं, you should invest in a microphone like this. You can obviously go for a lavalier microphone जो आपकी शर्ट पे लग जाता है. It's very cheap. I think Boya का 600-700 रुपीज़ का माइक आ जाता है. What I'm using is a dynamic microphone. It makes sure जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ सिर्फ वही कैप्चर करता है ये. And these days there is a very good brand called Creo जिसके mics बहुत अच्छे हैं. You can use those mics as well. The best part about these lavalier microphones or the wireless microphones is that they attach directly to your phone. एंड उसकी वजह से आपकी जो भी आवाज़ है वो डायरेक्ट आपकी वीडियो के साथ फ़ोन में रिकॉर्ड हो रही है. यू डोंट हैव टू रीसिंक इट इन द पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस. Then along with the mic, you need a tripod so that you can fix your phone at a place where you can record the videos. Record settings की बात करें तो always record in 4K at 30 frames per second or 24 frames per second if you're using an iPhone. Android में भी 4K, जो भी आपकी maximum setting है उस पर आप record करिए. Now the next basic tool for content creation is a light, like the one that I have here right now. Creo again has amazing lights. I use both my lights, my key light and my fill light from Creo. अगर आप अपनी वीडियोस खुद एडिट करना चाहते हैं, you will have to learn some basics about video editing in Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve or any other platform जिसको भी आप यूज़ करना चाहते हैं. And there are ample tutorials on YouTube. You can always be a self-learned video editor. And in addition to that, आपको बेसिक से वीडियो एडिटिंग ना करनी पड़े, इसके लिए ऑलरेडी देयर आर लॉट ऑफ प्लगइन्स एंड टूल्स दैट यू कैन इम्प्लीमेंट ऑन टॉप ऑफ प्रीमियर प्रो एंड डाविंची रिजॉल्व. तो उससे आपका एडिटिंग वर्क फ्लो बहुत ईजी हो जाता है. एंड लाइक आई मेंशन प्रीवियसली, यू कैन ऑलवेज हायर अ वीडियो एडिटर. इन इंडिया उसकी कॉस्ट इज अबाउट 500 to 1000 रुपीज़ एंड दैट्स इट फॉर द बेसिक टूल्स दैट यू नीड टू क्रिएट कॉन्टेंट. नाउ दैट यू नो व्हाट आर द बेसिक टूल्स फॉर कॉन्टेंट क्रिएशन, अब हम बात करेंगे कि आपके लिए बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म कौन सा है फॉर creating content, whether it is Instagram or YouTube or LinkedIn. So right off the bat, I would say YouTube is not for you because YouTube में thumbnail है, title है, description है. It is a whole world altogether. As a starter, as a beginner, I want you to keep things simple. So I want you to select either of Instagram or LinkedIn. And select कैसे करना है कि which platform is the best for you? Simply ask yourself these 3 questions. Which platform do you spend the most time on? Which platform do you think has your audience? And which platform is easier to grow? इन 3 सवालों का जवाब दे करके आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि which platform is good for you. I obviously want you to start with LinkedIn or Instagram, but depending on the type of audience that you want to attract and the niche that you're working in, you can obviously vary among the two. इन दोनों के अपने अपने pros and cons हैं. For example, LinkedIn has a very professional audience. It has got all the B2B people, all the B2G government people, officials, etc. तो यहाँ पर सब तरह की ऑडियंस आपको मिल जाती है. बट इसका कॉन ये है दैट यू हैव टू बी रियली थॉटफुल. यू कांट जस्ट से एनीथिंग ऑन लिंक्डइन बिकॉज you risk damaging your reputation. And LinkedIn is primarily used for finding jobs. So some people might be hesitant in sharing their thoughts completely on LinkedIn. Whereas on Instagram, you can say anything that you want. Plus, Instagram has more ways where you can express yourself creatively. For example, it has stories, it has reels, it has carousels, it has posts, photos. So it gives you a lot of options to express your words in different manners. जबकि LinkedIn पर ऐसा possible नहीं है. एक और पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन दोनों प्लेटफॉर्म्स के बीच में ये है दैट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम देयर इज ऑलवेज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रेंड्स गोइंग ऑन. सो इफ यू कैच दैट ट्रेंड, योर चांसेस ऑफ गोइंग वायरल आर हायर. Whereas LinkedIn पर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. It's a plain old boring platform. But again, it depends on what your intent with the platform is, what your intent with your personal brand is. अगर आपको एक B2B बिजनेस को अट्रैक्ट करना है या कंसल्टिंग सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करनी है, आइडियली LinkedIn वुड बी बेटर फॉर यू. बट अगर आपको अपनी पर्सनल ब्रांड फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड अप विदाउट फीलिंग एनी रिमोर्स, विदाउट फीलिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ बैड फेस, you can start with Instagram. And if you need to decide which platform to pick, I'll give you this simple decision framework on the screen right now. इसको देख करके आप समझ सकते हैं कि इन दोनों में से कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा. अब फाइनली टाइम आ गया है कंटेंट क्रिएशन का. सो विल डाइव डीप इनटू द कंटेंट क्रिएशन बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस and how you can create content to establish your authority in your niche. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं what kind of content should you post. When you're just starting out, it is important for you to showcase your expertise and your skills. तो उसके लिए we have 3 kinds of content. One is authority based content, second is information content, and third is promotional content. Authority based content, as the name suggests, is simply you pointing out the mistakes, you pointing out the myths, which tell the people that you are an authority in this industry. इसमें you can provide solutions to the existing problems that people are facing because you already did that exercise about what are the pain points, what are the desires of my ideal audience. उससे आपको पता चलेगा कि उनके क्या क्या problems हैं, and then you can pinpoint answer those questions and give these solutions to those problems. तो इसको बोलते हैं authority based content which helps your audience and builds your authority in return. The second type of content is informational content. इसमें आप solution नहीं दे रहे हैं but you are rather discussing the why behind the problem. आप किसी भी audience member को उस problem के बारे में जानकारी दे रहे हैं. That this is what happens. You're not directly giving the solution, but this is what happens, why it happened, why it would not happen, something like this. So this is information based content in which you are giving some kind of information. It could be a factual information or an experiential information, और इस तरीके से you are trying to educate the audience. You're not trying to solve the problem here. And the third type of content is the promotional content, where आप promote कर रहे हैं कि ये problem है, ये solution है, and I have the solution. Either you're promoting your solution or you're promoting someone else's solution. For example, check the link in my bio to get the free guide to do whatever. So this is a promotional content. So जब आप start कर रहे हैं, you need only to think about these three kinds of content to make. So what should be the split between these three types of content when you're just starting out? For example, आपने 10 pieces of content plan किए. Out of those 10 pieces, 8 should be authority based or information based, and only 2 should be promotional based. This is called 80-20 split. And the simple reason is that कि शुरुआत में your audience does not know you. So they need to know what you do, how you do it, and how you help them. And at this point, you can't obviously sell anything to them. And जब वो आपको जानते ही नहीं हैं, why would they listen to you and why would they buy your product? So इसीलिए starting में always start with authority based or information based content. अब हम बात करते हैं what should be your ideal posting schedule. See, if you're starting with LinkedIn or Instagram, इन दोनों के बारे में ही बात करेंगे सिर्फ. If you're starting on LinkedIn, you should put 3 well thought and written articles per week at least. Do not do more than that, क्योंकि LinkedIn पर थोड़ा overwhelming हो जाता है. And LinkedIn is a platform which gives you traction after a long period of time as well. आज भी मैंने LinkedIn पर जो पोस्ट किया था 1 महीना पहले, उसके reactions मुझे मिलते हैं. So that goes to show that it's a long term kind of commitment. तो इसके लिए आपको 3 तो रखने ही हैं, 3 आर्टिकल्स तो आपको डालने ही हैं. ज़्यादा करोगे तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, यू विल अट्रैक्ट मोर पीपल टू योर प्रोफाइल, बट आई एक्सपीरियंस दैट इट डिड नॉट वर्क आउट फॉर मी दैट वेल. सो 3 इज़ माई ऑप्टिमम नंबर. इफ़ यू आर पोस्टिंग ऑन Instagram रील्स और यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स, यू शुड डू एटलीस्ट 5 रील्स पर वीक. मंडे टू फ्राइडे 1 रील पर डे आपको डालनी ही डालनी है. जितना ज़्यादा करोगे उतना अच्छा है, क्योंकि Instagram इज़ अ वेरी फॉरगेटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म. The algorithm changes very fast, trends change very fast. आज आपने जो डाला उसके आज ही आपको व्यूज़ मिलेंगे. It is hardly possible कि कल परसों तरसों उसके व्यूज़ आपको काउंट होंगे. तो इसीलिए Instagram पर the more you put content, the better it is. But also it depends on how busy you are. I mean, this whole personal brand thing is for you. और अगर आपको लगता है कि it's a very big task to post content every day, don't do it. Do it as per your own pace, because you are doing this for you. And now I will give you one golden rule for creating content. Whenever you're creating content, think about the problem of one audience avatar, one problem and one solution to talk about. सिर्फ उसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए आप content बनाएंगे. So even if you increase the number of days in between your postings, your content will hit the right kind of audience. वहीं अगर आप रोज content बनाएंगे and it is not aligned with your ideal audience और वो अलग अलग टॉपिक्स पर है, it does not matter. You will not grow. So the golden rule is one audience avatar, one platform, one problem, one solution. और अब हम बात करेंगे how to make better content. This is the most important lesson of this course. आप अपना content को कैसे बेहतर बना सकते हैं, एंड उसके लिए सिंपल सा एक रूल है जो मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको पहले बताया था प्रीवियस लेसन्स में. You need to copy the competition. If you have already made a list of 10 competitors, go to their content, see which one is performing best, recreate it, put your unique point of view to that, and repurpose it and repost it. अपने competitor से ही आप सबसे ज़्यादा सीख पाएंगे what kind of hooks works the best, what kind of CTAs, call to action, works the best, what kind of body language does work the best for your kind of audience. But फिर भी to make sure that आपका content creation journey easy हो जाए, I'm going to give you 3 frameworks for writing better contents. The first framework is called the PAS framework, which is called Problem, Agitate and Solution. इसमें you simply have to start with a problem that your audience faces. Then you have to agitate it by highlighting why it's so frustrating, and then you have to offer the solution. It's very simple and very direct. इन जितने भी frameworks के बारे में मैं बात करूँगा, you don't have to use any pen and paper to write the content by yourself. Obviously, हम इतने समझदार हैं कि हम ChatGPT का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Just feed the type of framework that you want to create content on. For example, create content on this using PAS framework. Create content on this for this audience using the other framework. इस तरीके से you will get the whole script for your content. But it is important for you to understand कि different frameworks क्या हैं जिसको आप deploy कर सकते हैं. And so that brings us to the second framework, which is the storytelling framework. इसका simple सा framework है hook, conflict, resolution. So in this you can tell a quick story to your audience about what happened, what was the conflict, and how did you solve that problem, or how did the other person solve that problem if you're talking about other person. Story से जितना ज़्यादा connection मिलता है उतना ज़्यादा किसी चीज़ से नहीं मिलता. So always try to create stories with your content. And third framework is before after bridge. You describe a before situation, you describe the after situation, and then you describe the bridge that led you from before to after. So basically जब हमने बात करी थी transformation की, turning point की, so this is that framework, before after bridge. And this framework works best for positioning your service to your audience. जब भी आप कुछ promotional content बनाना चाहते हैं, you can always use this kind of framework to create the content for them. By the way, इस discussion में जो सबसे important चीज़ है, that is the hook. 80% of your time should be spent in thinking about the hook. अगर आपका hook solid नहीं है, does not matter आपका content कितना solid है, क्योंकि hook से ही लोग रुकेंगे आपके content पर. Alright, so by now I hope आपको सब clarity मिल गई होगी कि आपके audience क्या है, आपका niche क्या है, आपको क्या content create करना है, कैसा content create करना है, कितना create करना है, क्या script होनी चाहिए, क्या hook होना चाहिए, क्या CTA होना चाहिए. इस सब के बाद जो सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ है वो है बिल्डिंग योर ईमेल लिस्ट. और इसका सिंपल सा रीज़न ये है दैट यू डोंट ओन द ऑडियंस ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म. कल को अगर प्लेटफॉर्म बंद हो जाए या बैन हो जाए, योर ऑडियंस इज़ गॉन. सो यू नीड एन ईमेल लिस्ट जिसकी वजह से आपके पास आपकी ऑडियंस के ईमेल्स आए डायरेक्टली, एंड यू कैन टॉक टू देम डायरेक्टली वन ऑन वन and send messages to them directly. So emails are very focused and personal, and you can obviously nurture your audience a lot over those emails. आप उनको एक सीरीज ऑफ एजुकेशनल और इन्फॉर्मेशनल ईमेल्स भेज सकते हैं जिससे कि दे गेट एजुकेटेड मोर ऑन द टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम दैट दे आर फेसिंग, एंड देन एट द एंड ऑफ दोज सीक्वेंस ऑफ ईमेल्स यू कैन सेंड देम अ सोल्यूशन, अ प्रोडक्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट दे कैन बाय एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म देयर लाइव्स एज वेल. And you reach them one-on-one. So that is the best part of using email marketing. So right off the bat, you need to start building an email list as soon as you post your first piece of content. So how do you build an email list? Email list build करने के लिए simply. So how do you build an email list? Email list build करने के लिए simply you need to create a freebie or a lead magnet, which is a free product or a PDF or a master class जो आपकी audience free में consume कर सके. And to do that, they can give you your email. It could be a checklist, it could be a mini course, it could be some tips, tricks, could be anything. And then आपको use करना है एक email marketing platform like ConvertKit or MailChimp to set up your landing page. When you drop the link to that landing page in your profile, people can go there, give their names and their email addresses. They can access the product, you get the access to their emails. And these platforms do it very, very beautifully, MailChimp and ConvertKit. You can also use this free lead magnet as a call to action for all your pieces of content. Imagine आपको content create कर रहे हो and you already have something to give to them. At the end of every piece of content, you can obviously share that. And then using those platforms only, ConvertKit and MailChimp, you can send them weekly emails, you can send them monthly emails. You can share whatever is happening with your life and start building a rapport with that with your audience. I personally use ConvertKit because it is very simple to set up, it is very simple to work on, and you can find n number of tutorials on ConvertKit, very short tutorials also, very long tutorial also, and it's very easy to set up. So use ConvertKit or MailChimp, whichever works. And the best part is for the first 500 people, for first 500 subscribers or 1000 subscribers, it's free. So it's basically free for you to use their services, build your email list, and up until 500 subscribers, completely free. Now you must be wondering कि मैं ये freebie कैसे create करूँगा. So for creating this freebie, you can use Canva, obviously, if you are building a PDF. और Canva पे भी जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Simply go to Word doc or Google Docs, write whatever is your niche's problem, provide a solution, basic solution to that, and prepare a PDF. As simple as that. For me, if you go to my profile, I have a masterclass which I have prepared, which is a freebie from me to help you dominate your industry. And with that, we have completed the whole course, Personal Brand Starter Kit. You now have everything that you need to get started: your niche, your audience, your platform, types of content, your strategy, your planning, your content calendar, and all the essential tools that you need to start building your personal brand. But remember this one thing: knowledge without action will not give you any results. And so I want to give you a challenge. Start today. Take what you've learned, implement it, and take the first step. Whether it's posting the first piece of content or creating a profile or engaging with your audience, start today. देखो, पर्सनल ब्रांड इज़ अ जर्नी एंड आई एम हियर टू सपोर्ट यू. अगर आपको कभी भी गाइडेंस चाहिए, फील फ्री टू कनेक्ट विद मी ऑन माई सोशल्स. अगर आपको मेरे इस कोर्स से वैल्यू मिली है, देन आई वॉन्ट यू टू शेयर योर थॉट्स ऑन सोशल मीडिया with me. And if you're ready to take your personal brand to the next level, follow me and stay tuned for other advanced courses that I'm going to bring out for you. Thank you for being a part of this journey and see you at the top.